welcome back. Is Jojo with
Shruti, what's up?
what's up? What's up? Atif Aslam is back after those two songs.
Pira to I've been
third.
looping
Yeah,
अभी तक. हाँ.
yeah. So now this one has happened. It's called Channa, and
Okay.
if you remember, he had a Channa in Coke Studio also.
Yeah. Yes.
Yeah.
I remember that song.
In season 6, it was there. So people were like, he's dropped another Channa in Borderless. I was like, Borderless is going in some other direction only. Like he's just killing it. So let's see
Yeah.
what he's doing with this Channa. Is it a cover of that similar song, similar kind of vibes, or if it's a
Or
completely
has
new
he
song?
sampled his own Channa into a new Channa? That'll also be like interesting. Or brand new also. Yes.
Yeah, let me see the credits, then we'll know. Singer and composition Atif, directed by Adnan Kasi, lyrics Atif, music by Harun Leo, from the Leo twins, and mix and mastered by Jay Krishnan Nalin Kumar. Okay, interesting. Fine, and there's a video. Let's just
Okay.
see what's happening. Ready?
Awesome. Ready? Yes.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, play.
Borderless World Season 1.
Sharp.
तेरे प्यार दी नी छावे ठंडी लगदी है मैनू हर थावे चन्ना लिख के मैं तेरा नाम चुमदी चन्ना लिख के मैं तेरा चुमदी रहनिया अपनी बांह तू मेरा मान ये कदी तोड़ी ना वे दई रखी बस तू कदमां च थावे सोने तू हुण आवे भावें ना आवे चस पै गया उड़ीकां दा वे चन्ना लिख के मैं तेरा चुमदी रहनिया अपनी बांह चन्ना लिख के मैं तेरा नाम चुमदी रहनिया अपनी
मुझे ऐसा लगा बहुत जल्दी खत्म हो गया.
Yeah, that's
Like,
what I'm
है ना
feeling.
कुछ ऐसे
I was-
unfinished सा फील हुआ.
Yeah,
हाँ.
I feel so. I'll just say that where he shot it is one of the most beautiful places in the world. It's easily in my top 5 spots that I love in the world. And after dark, and they light up the harbor there really nicely. And I love any city that has yellow light at night and nothing but yellow light. So I think Paris and Sydney get that right really well, especially with the Opera House, the way it's lit up on one side and then the Harbor Bridge on the other. It's a beautiful spot to be in because people are walking. There's like so much activity. It's just a very like calm, peaceful sort of spot. And so I'm not surprised they picked that as the backdrop for this song. Not surprised at all. As soon as the vibe of the music started, I was like, oh, perfect location. So wo hua. And I feel like that little incomplete feeling you're feeling, I'm also feeling that because through the whole song, I felt that magic carpet. I felt like his voice was that magic carpet and we were just sitting on it and flying through the.
His voice was phenomenal. Is phenomenal. Like it's just there is so much. He's gone in this sudden very and especially because Pira मैं almost twice a day सुन रही हूँ अभी. So what's happened is there is this new Atif Aslam voice which is like this very makhmali, but yet very magnetic. Like it just pulls you in. And that was going on with this also. It's like there is no rush. वो इतने आराम से और इतने ठहराव के साथ there is that pace which he's maintaining. That was there in this as well. So when you're saying like a magic carpet ride, I fully agree with you. Like it was almost feeling like, you're just flowing with his voice. And the visuals were looking so pretty, and so clear and so well defined that just looking at all of it, you literally felt like you're going from one thing to the other to the point where जो गाने के lyrics थे ना, मेरा ध्यान उनसे बार बार हट रहा था. Like the pace was so slow that my attention to the lyrics and the correlation between why he is, what he's wearing, the backdrop where he is, what that could mean with what he's singing, मेरा वो correlation बैठा ही नहीं, by the way, इस पूरे गाने में. That's another reason why I'm feeling a little lost. So I was almost about to ask you, I was like, ठीक है, अच्छा तो था, आवाज भी बड़ी अच्छी थी, लेकिन गाना किस बारे में था? Like, literally wanted to ask you that right now.
I agree with you because I feel like this song was so calm in its pacing that it felt like we are floating on the clouds on this carpet, which is the carpet is his voice. But फिर हम कहीं पहुंचे नहीं, तो हम वहीं पे लटक रहे हैं.
Like, are the lyrics there? Like, I would love for you to go through the lyrics, then we can discuss.
We'll go over the lyrics because I feel like even the way he was singing, at some places he was doing what he can do in terms of technicality and the throw and the but then it went into mumble into the next
some parts ऐसा लग रहा था कि वो visually गा ही नहीं रहे हैं. I was like, अरे अच्छा, did he get conscious because there were people around or what happened in that moment?
Visually though he was not even lip syncing properly, but I feel even in the studio while recording there was a very sort of
mumble thing.
There was a laziness to this whole thing. It almost felt like a riyaz session was happening. कि हम गा रहे हैं, गाना चल रहा है and we are practicing और हम उसको पूरा full उसमें नहीं गा रहे हैं because we are just थोड़ा rehearsal हो रहा है, like before you go up on stage, how you do. But that is the intent of this song, to keep it in that space. So I'm not saying that it was I'm not saying it was lacking at all. I'm saying that is what this song felt like and was its intent. So the little mumbliness situation or the thing made me also lose track of the lyrics exactly like you. I was like
no, but I was okay with the mumbling. So
mine
was
okay
slightly
with
different.
It, but मुझे lyrics फिर समझ नहीं आए कि किस बारे में हम
lyrics का correlation to the visual नहीं समझ आया मुझे मतलब like lyrics is different, that is fine. Mumbling also I was with the flow of it, वो सब सही चल रहा था. But वही like I'm saying ना that कुछ तो था. Clearly you and I both felt it, but both of us have like two different reasons for it. But ultimately the feeling is same.
So there is a thing over here which has translation. Okay. तेरे प्यार दिया नी छावे, ठंडी लगदी है मैनू हर ठावे.
बाँ वाला तो सुना ही नहीं मैंने.
चन्ना लिख के मैं तेरा ना चुमदी रहनिया अपनी बाँ. चन्ना लिख के मैं तेरा ना चुमदी रहनिया अपनी बाँ. Verse 2. तू मेरा मान है कड़ी तोड़ी नावे, देई रखी बस तू कदमा च ठावे. सोनिया तू हुण आवे पावे ना आवे, चस पे गया ही उड़ी का दावे. That's it. Then chorus. Channa likke मैं तेरा ना चुमदी रहनी अपनी बाँ and outro.
So I'm thinking maybe he's following the same theme from the previous song that we'd seen, which was of, I mean, Borderless. This thing is the name after all. Like, like it is a thing for, like जब आप अपना घर छोड़ के आप कहीं और जाते हो दूसरे, दूसरी country में, और आप फिर वहाँ रहते हो. And I think the song then is this particular one is about missing your love, your lover, your. So I think, then
It's
It's
a
just about
whole
that
I
emotional
miss
missing.
it's
Yeah.
about the whole emotional missing, and I think it's a recreation of the Coke Studio Channa
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
with a different like music arrangement and vibe,
Yeah. Entirely different.
you know.
Yeah.
So
So then do
again,
you prefer the Coke Studio one or this one?
see, अब मुझे Coke Studio वाला इतना याद नहीं है. I'll have to listen to it again. But I feel like
This sounds like a very
I
acoustic version of the same, by the way.
yeah,
Like I remember it.
yeah.
So you really asked me about the Coke Studio one.
I prefer the Coke Studio one. I'm
same.
also with you on that because I
Yeah.
feel like that's something I went back to several times. This I may not. I'm still unsure about it. But overall, this made me feel like I'm floating in the clouds on a carpet. That's his voice. It was very
Honestly,
relaxed.
with his songs, na, recently, ये जो अभी जैसे ये तीसरा है, what I'm realizing is, when I listen to them after, I am suddennly falling in love with them. But it's happening to me later. Like Pira, okay, it had happened. But even the middle song, that other one, which was about the,
Yogi.
वो तो एक proper एक film के जैसे लग रहा था, right? Like there was so much emotion involved in it. But yeah, with Atif Aslam's voice and the way it is going right now, I think this song, I am getting a feeling that when I'm going to listen to it
It'll
later, yeah, it'll grow tremendously.
Yeah, I feel the same. It's probably something I'll listen to when I need calming and just a calm sense of being in love. None of that butterfly thing. It's like the same
The
feelings of
spiritual.
missing, but more. It's exactly. So that what I was going to end this video with is that it since it's a recreation of an older Atif song, we can now compare his current state of mind and his current state of even voice to
Yeah.
that.
Growth,
In that,
yes.
not only has the voice grown in maturity and emotional delivery and all of that, you can sense that the person carrying that voice has also evolved, and that is a standard connecting thread we are seeing in this Borderless from
Yeah.
Pira onwards. You
Correct.
know, he's
अब पता नहीं वो हमारे
like-
साथ ही हो रहा है, that you know, because the comparison is happening as audience with us, not sure that the comparison is happening, you know, Atif Aslam is just being himself, you know, he's just doing who he is, like what he is today, he's just coming and performing, but I think वो naturally हमारे लिए हो रहा है.
No, I feel because we followed his
You think
career
it's an
from the
intention?
beginning, there's a evolution that every person has in life in general, right? We are
Yeah, so that's what I'm saying. I'm saying we as audience are
Yeah.
looking at that and we can see that. But he doesn't necessarily, like, that's not the intention for these songs, for him to create that comparison. That's what I'm saying. So you're saying that it's intentional.
Yeah, you could be right, but I know more. I know someone left me a comment and said he has said that this is
तो मैं
coming
वही तो
from a
पूछ
different
रही
place.
हूँ.
Yeah.
हाँ, that you
So it
think
is
that like it's
intentional.
intentional.
It's
हाँ.
intentional because he's himself reached a point where he's going deeper and he's
अच्छा.
now in a different plane of operation. So hence these kind of songs and these kind of like vibes are coming through the music. So so I think it's important to point that out, that we can also feel it as the listeners and as the people who followed his journey, you know, from the start. Lovely, but Coke Studio वाला कुछ और ही है. So this one might grow. We'll let
इस वाले का I think
we'll
अभी
let
कह
you
नहीं
know.
सकते. Like yeah, I'm gonna hold my this thing on it because for sure अगर 2-3 दिन में मैंने इसको as a any of my stories का background use कर लिया, मतलब कि I have been looping it. अब वो बैठ गया मेरे दिमाग में. Now I can't get it out of my head. So
Very
now I'm using
smart
it.
way of saying follow me on Instagram to know more. Now
Trust
just
me, not really. मैं mango की stories डालूंगी with this song in the background.
listen, it's mango season. I saw her story yesterday. I was like, why have I not got mine? Today
Yes,
mango shall
exactly.
be had. But yes, so anyway, we'll give you the update in the next song 4 ka reaction anyway.
Yeah.
You know? So
Yes.
ठीक है, chalo, lovely. Thank you guys for requesting this one. Let us know what you thought of it. Let us know which Channa you like more and your thoughts on this entire discussion. We'll see you in the next one. Take care of yourselves. Live long and prosper.
Bye.